how to fulfill orders on AutoDS. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fulfill all your orders onto the AutoDS platform. So as you know, the AutoDS is going to be a dropshipping platform that needs to be connected or integrated into a store or an actual store like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and etc. So, if you have already connected your store, that is going to be an advantage and not a waste of time. And if not, you're going to connect it from scratch. So, in here, we have connected our account, and as you can see, everything in here. So, we are going to start the process of adding the product, or let's say that we have added the product. We are going to check in the products. As you can see here, we have added a product from the marketplace and we're going to check it into our Shopify store. So from here, we're going to begin the process. Here on the product, since it is going to be in here, what are we going to do? We are going to wait for the clients to have here set up the order. So as you can see here, we have an order created. I have created this order, so I'm going to create another order to let you see how we can process this. So I'm going to create a manual order in here. For example, I'm going to browse all the products. Then we are going to set up this one. I'm going to select a product like this one, dated one. Add here the product from browsing. And we are going to mark it as paid. So you can add, for example, the customers or create the customer information in here. Basically, if you have received the order from the customers, you're going to see all the information is in here. So I'm going to mark it as paid. So now we are going to click on create order. So whenever the product is going to be paid, you're going to skip, or this step is going to be skipped. Now, normally you are going to see in the orders one or the number of orders that are available for that. You're going to see this hashtag 1000 to, for example, if it is going to be the second order of yours, the Shopify numeration is going to be starting with the hashtag 100, and this is, or the last one is going to be the number of that order. So here we have the message or the yellow tag that it is unfulfilled. So how we can fulfill the item? Either you are going to fulfill it manually or request the fulfillment. If you are going to request the fulfillment, that means that this product is going to be imported from another platform, such as AutoDS. I'm going to click on request the fulfillment, and here you can go ahead and add some notes like that for that specific one. So here we are going to click on send fulfillment request. Click on here and it is going to be requested from AutoDS. It will take a little bit of time from them to respond, and after you have requested that and they have validated your order, you're going to see it into the orders in here, into your AutoDS store or platform. You're going to check it out, and then you're going to see the tag or the order status. So as you can see, you're going to have here the notes. For example, here we have a warning of editing the order and add full customer address. So here I have set up the manual setup of the fulfillment. You can check up the fulfillment of the orders in here. Parameter, of course, we are going to click on settings. And from here, we are going to see supplier setting. Click on orders in here and see order setting. Process order using the fulfilled by AutoDS service. This is going to be intact or ticked into yours. But here, as you can see here, we have received the notification that the order has been added, or the second order has been added. And also we have the automatic order requires by account or fulfilled by AutoDS order management. So basically you're going to save the setting and head over your, as you can see here, the orders. Normally you are going to see the order or in order progress. So they are going to scan or see that, consult also that order, and then they are going to set it up. You can add an internal note in here for the fulfillment team. And also it is going to be an automation, not a team or a whole team to set up this, but the theme is or are going to set up this product from the sourcing. You can request the sourcing if this product is out of stock. And also you can set up the, or you are going to see the tracking number that the team has given to you. So you are going to see here the buy and also the sell. This is the buy, yeah, or you are going to see that you've bought this product from AliExpress and you are going to send it on your Shopify store. Here we have the store numbers. So everything is going to be in here categorized and everything. And from here, what can you do is basically to see here, you can have only auto order credits. We have 5 credits. You can buy some credits in here, and these credits are going to be used for getting the orders automatically set up. So in here, in case you have some errors, you're going to send to auto order, for example, like this, or set it up just like that. You can cancel the auto order if you are going to put it like this and also categorize the thing in here. So you can go ahead and set it up, for example, as ordered. You are going to put the buy order ID and also the buyer account if you have one. So basically, it is going to have the buyer account set up into your store or into the platform from here. For more options, you can edit the order in here, create a ticket about the order, and also request the sourcing. For example, in here, if we have something missing, like this one, here we have the address, also the full name, you're going to click on edit order. Then you are going to set up the buyer first name, last name, address, country, state, city, and etc. For order, you're going to see the second status. Here we have the status. I'm going to put it as pending, for example, like that. And also you can go ahead and put it as ordered. So you're going to have here the buy order ID, for example, 1. You can modify the price, also add the taxes in here. So you can put the fee, regulate them, also calculate them by here. So you can add some buyer account and the shipping carrier, you can select it from here. Then you are going to put it just like that. So for example, China Post, the tracking number, you can give it a tracking number, for example, like that, or let the team take it out as like this. For the product, you're going to see the supplier. You can get it from any type of supplier in here that are available. The warehouse, also you can control it. The buy URL, this is from AliExpress, as you can see, but we should not change the buy variant from here. You only need to set up everything. Basically, this is the product, so you can add the product from AliExpress, I think, or it's going to give you here some details about the order. You can edit them by clicking on here and set up the margin and etc. Basically, that was pretty much everything about the orders. You need to confirm here that you have set up the order from your store and then you're going to request it. So that was for Shopify. And for those who are asking if it is possible to create orders manually on AutoDS, I couldn't find here a solution to create a order manually. That means that you need to set up a store. If you are going to have here multiple stores, click on add store and start adding your stores. You have eBay, Amazon, Wix, and etc. So if you are going to add another store, you need to be having another plan, as you can see. And if you are going to be interested on adding Wix stores to this specific AutoDS account, you need only to install the integration from the App Store or the App Market of Wix, and then it is going to have the synchronization of your account. For example, I'm going to type in AutoDS. And normally you are going to see the automatic drop shipping. You're going to install that app just like that. And then you are going to have it in here. So it is going to take you to AutoDS. Then you are going to agree. And the process is going to be very similar. So basically you are going to get an order from your store and it is going to be automated. So you are going to need an upgraded account. It is not going to be used on the trial version. So you are going to have here the account in here. So it is going to be the same process. You're going to only see the orders in here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.